Way better lighting than mine got. We should have been on yours the whole time. This is way better lighting.
Bitch, man.
All right.
I don't like the size of this drop off.
I don't like the size of any of this. Dude, yours is fucking, your camera's amazing. I can see moths flying around.
I'm gonna see. Shit.
Dude, I mean, I think we just gotta commit. I don't know how we get over that hump though. That thing's like Nagasaki. Jesus Christ.
That's the thing. As long as my front tire doesn't
Yeah, you fucking
rub.
Peter Pan yourself however you need to, bro.
Shit. Please don't let this scrape.
Oh. Oh. Oh, hold your breath. Holy shit. I think, oh. Oh. Well, we're over it. Holy shit. It's, oh, this sidewall is this clear up to the top of the hood. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, God. Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
That's a beautiful thing.
So this is boring for a minute, so you can stop it or pause it.
Goddamn forest.
Actually, I want to drive down it because it's like
No,
fucking
it's
Sleepy
like
Hollow, dude. It's like we actually got a little freaked out because it's like this is where you think people disappear, and
I feel like I'm filming one of those found footage films where we never get found.
Exactly. Like, tell me this isn't like the haunting fucking like.
I mean, the fact that we're filming it
doesn't help.
Right. God damn it. If I see you standing in a corner in a fucking basement, I'm leaving you there.
Like, look at this shit.
Oh, look out for that tree. We're just some student filmmakers heading off into the woods.
That's not funny.
We're gonna hunt this local legend.
Right? Like, this is the type of road that fucking... Oh! Somebody with a big-ass beard and a fucking chainsaw lives on it. Jonathan asked me, he's like, what is
the purpose of this? What is this that we're even on? Like, why is this even...
I don't know.
This is in the fucking woods.
I've never been to the end of it either. I've always gotten too freaked out. I've never driven all the way down.
Yeah, like, what is the purpose of this in the middle of fucking nowhere? I don't even know how we have a vehicle back here.
Oh, we came down that fuck-all hill.
Right, that's true.
Tell me that wasn't bad.
Yeah, this is inaccessible to most vehicles. I don't really know many people that would try to take that hill.
Oh. So then you gotta think like, well, there's still tire tracks, like,
right?
You know that steep ass hill?
Oh shit!
You know that steep ass hill?
What the fuck was that? Why are we doing this?
This is it.
I don't think we need to do that.
This is the bottom of that steep ass hill that we just climbed.
Yeah. Oh Jesus. I liked more what I saw in front of us, not the middle of the woods.
I've never been any further.
Well, there was a thing right there. Maybe
I've never been any further.
Get the lights on it. What? Right there.
What?
The straight ahead. There it is.
What was it?
That road.
Yeah. No, but I'm saying, I don't know what this road is.
I will fuck me neither. That's what I'm saying. Oh shit. We're getting attacked by trees like Evil Dead. Oh God. Oh, what is this? Oh God. It just, oh, can we even make that cut? It goes sharp left and right down over a hill.
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, yeah. And then Oh, there's a big ass rock. Watch that rock.
Dude, this is sick right
And
here.
then it
Look at
cuts.
the angle of this.
I know, dude. It's intense. Oh, watch out for that tree. Oh, big log. Oh, it's all decayed. Oh. Right to this log. Holy shit. Oh, there's a tree. You're good. Watch a big log right here on your right. Oh, no, that's a dead end. Holy shit, what? No, that's a thing. That's a thing to climb. Oh, what the fuck? That, you can't get through there. Oh, no, right there, that's your bumper.
It's gotta get wider.
I don't think you can get wider. There's another tree right there. The laws of physics says that's a no-brainer. Oh. I don't really know that going in reverse is the best either. Oh fuck. We're trying this again. And holy shit, he did it. I really hope this takes us out of here because we're not in back and back
No,
through
we're not.
that.
That's what I'm saying. I've never been this
Oh
way.
yeah, I know. That's what's the best. It's exploring in the middle of the fucking woods at 2:30 in the morning on some sort of fucking trail that shouldn't even exist. Like, who could possibly be out here in the middle of fucking nowhere to need a trail like
I don't
this?
even know where the fuck this goes.
Me
Really
neither.
kinda nervous
Holy
right
shit, it
now.
got super to the right. It's another crazy right hook. Oh god, oh there's part of a tree. Oh, there's another big tree. Oh my god, super tree. Oh, why are we doing this? Whoa, why
This is
are
a
we-
fucking adrenaline rush.
why are we-
Are you freaking out right now too? Because I'm freaking out a little bit.
Oh god. Oh god.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
I don't know. Why are we here? Oh god. Oh god. Holy shit. Oh. What is this? It's a road
I need a
of some
cigarette,
sort.
dude.
Holy
I'm
shit.
seriously need a fucking
Holy
cigarette.
shit, where are we?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I've never been up that shit. That